Hello and welcome. On today's adventure we will be doing some paddleboarding, showcasing yet another gem in Campbell River's crown, this time McIvor Lake. For those not aware, Campbell River is found on northern Vancouver Island in British Columbia. And McIvor Lake is found within 10 minutes of the downtown of Campbell River on Highway 28 out towards Gold River. We've even hyperlapsed it here in the video just so you can see how quick it is to find. Oh, what a lovely view. This place is the waterhole to find for yourself come the summertime and you want to do something a little different with your day. If you get stuck for ideas, here's a great place to bring and entertain friends and family. Renting paddleboards can be done from any number of places, and in case you want to know more, here's the cell. I'm going to link in the description the guy who I would go to if I were you, and if you tell him we sent you, maybe he'll give you a discount. Maybe. You can of course bring your own boat and jet ski because there is a boat ramp, but just be mindful that, you're sharing the space with everybody else. There's a brief history too to this place. The lake is named after a guy called Daniel Erskine McIvor, whose name is steeped in Canadian history apparently. Did you know that Daniel McIvor was a Canadian aviation pioneer whose long and storied career was crowned by his work with the Martin Mars water bombers for having developed water bombing techniques that have saved thousands of acres of forest in British Columbia? Look at this girl. She's having fun, just paddling around. Don't worry about the drone. By the way, that's a Mavic Air too. But yes, come down, check it out. Yep. See, sandy beaches. Oh, I should say that about the sandy beaches too. Okay, there's some sandy beach. McIvor Lake. Look at that place. Like, are you kidding me? Oh my god. Lovely.